How to make money online with AI. Simple and fast. AI is changing everything, and if you know how to use it, you can make money without coding, without a big budget. Let me show you. I remember when I first tried AI the first time, I was using ChatGPT, and so I used it to write an ebook in one day. Then I sold it for $10 per copy, and in a week I made $300. That was very, very, very exciting. That's when I realized AI can work for you. You just need to have the right strategy to get started with making money online using AI. Now, most people think AI is too hard. They hear machine learning and so they give up because this word sounds fancy and it sounds a little bit complex. Just because it has the machine in it, it doesn't have to be confusing. The truth is, AI is just a tool, like a phone, like a laptop. You don't need to build it. You're not building anything. You just need to use it the right way. If you're someone who wants to make extra income online, if you want to work from home, if you don't want to struggle with technology, this is for you. Here's how you can make money with AI. Okay, so I have these five items here. Number one, you can create ebooks and courses using AI. AI can help you write fast and you can package your knowledge and skills and then you can sell those packages online. You can also use AI generated designs. You can use tools, you can generate AI generated designs. Use tools like Canva AI to create logos, flyers, and also social media posts. And then you can sell them online. Chatbot services. Businesses need chatbots. Set up a simple AI chatbot, then you can charge monthly fees for it. Then you have AI powered content creation. You can use AI to write blog posts, social media captions, product descriptions, copies, etc. Businesses pay for these. Okay, so that's something you can do with AI. AI video creation. Tools like Pictory, they turn text into videos. You can start a faceless YouTube channel or sell videos services. Start small. Okay, as you're starting, you're not going to be big, you're going to be small. Be okay with that. Then you can pick one method, just one method here, and take action today. Now is the right time to start. AI won't make you money if you just sit and watch. You have to move and take action today, right now. And if you need any guide, I'm here to help you. Let's get this money.